You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you pronounce this curious word, which is in fact the word American but spelled backwards? Yeah? Can you see it? There are different interpretations of how this is to be pronounced. Nacirema. Nacirema is how many say it, or Nacirema. Although the ray doesn't make much sense to me, because although, you know, American, I guess, American, so that would be more like Nacirema. Nacirema, if you want to respect how American is said. Nacirema with a hard k, because can, right? Nacirema, Nacirema. How do you say it? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.